Hey guys, today we have got the new truck, and this new truck, I think it's gonna be the farm truck. But right now we gotta go test it out, make sure it goes good and does well in the off-road life. So we're just gonna kind of floor it through here, hope that nothing really happens, which shouldn't. Unless we hit like a big jump or something, and then maybe tear the bottom of the truck out, undercarriage. Oh, get that mark. See how fast it can go. 65, 70. 75. Yep, that's it. 75. Okay, so we're going to take a right, take a left, come down here. No, wrong turn. Turning right here. Then you do some donuts. Okay, that didn't work. Sing does not like to do donuts. That'll slide a little bit, but okay, it's not gonna do it. Hit the dooms. Oh, I think we're gonna start heading back to the house now. Yeah, and then we're going to maybe go where we took the Jeep and flooded it, and see how this does, which I'm not expecting it to do amazing. I'm really expecting it to like kind of be a little bad. So we're just burning rubber. Might need to stop at the gas station real quick. But I can stop it up here by the house. Yeah, because there's one right there. But well, we might have to check out on the farm a little bit before we do this. Just to make sure nobody's slacking or anything. Everybody's doing the work. Which Joe, he should be on the farm. I don't know which one he's on, which field he's on right now, but he should be on one of them. We're gonna go down here, take a right. Thought he should have been on this one. Guess not. Keep going. Might need to check on the pigs in a minute. Oh, Betsy! What are you doing? Get back in there. You know you're not supposed to do this. Stupid cows. Oh. Better move. Don't know why it's set up there. Maybe Joe called in for something. You know he's always hungry. But yeah, so I'm thinking about calling my cousin in a minute. Or my friend. I don't know which one. I'm probably just gonna call Peyton and see what he wants to do. Might have to call him just to make sure he's on the near the phone to where in case we do get stuck or something, which I doubt we will, but I'm gonna go back. Okay, those things are a little weird. I'm gonna go down through here, take a left, go down, see what's happening. I need to go over to the right. Looks like everything's doing pretty good. A little bit. So yeah, we're almost to the house. When we get there, I'm probably gonna go get my phone. Oh wow, cop chase. That's what we have down here. Need to take some back roads, but okay, we're just gonna ignore it. No, we're not, because I'm gonna take this road. I'm not waiting on the cops any longer. And I know there's this road that you can take right through here that we made a little while ago. And just come on through here. Come up, and you got your road. We're gonna stop here at the gas station. Burning rubber again. Well, it's not my fault. Need to maybe run in and get a lottery ticket or something. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Thank you. I need to check my ATM. See what I have. Oh.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, wow.
I'm not calling on you. I'll do it.
For what?
That's it. I'm calling the police.
People are stupid. Oh, wow. People are racist. I didn't even do anything and they called the cops on me. Okay. I'm not stopping for him this time because I did not do anything wrong. Oh. Alright, might as well. I see a cop, but I'm flooring it. You hit my truck and kill you. How about no? Floor. Nope. I'm trying not to hit anything right now. Right here. Nope. See how they feel about this. Can't take the cars down here. Maybe we might lose them down here. Don't know how though. I don't know how they didn't see me. Got mud all over my truck. I'm gonna have to take this thing to a car wash later. Oh man, this is close. Oh no. Come on. Come on. I'm really surprised that this thing is even making it right down through here. But, okay, we lost him. I don't have a siren anymore. Oh, slide. Oh, I better get ready to call Peyton. I need to call him real fast.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, keep on the watch for your phone. might need to call you in a minute, and just in case I got stuck, because the cops were just on me, and I walked into the store, and a lady, I guess, was racist, called the cops, and I didn't even touch her. Checked my ATM, my bank account, and they called the cops.
Where are you at?
Okay, you know where I got flooded the Jeep down by the fish place?
Yeah.
I'm down there. I'm in the
Again?
docks. Yeah, with the slicks on it.
You're stupid.
No, man, I just like to have some fun. I'm not quite stupid, but not that quite stupid, but I mean, I'm a little stupid.
Well, I'm sitting at the house, nothing to do with, big old F-250 sitting in the garage with a winch it needs using, so just hit me up if you need anything.
Alright. Hey, did you ever move into your new house down here out in Sandy?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, I kept the other one, I just, fully moved into this one full time.
Ooh. Ooh, this doesn't look good.
What is it?
Okay, so I barely pulled off in this, and it's already up to my headlights. Almost. Okay, the tide went down. I'm going to cross now. But it was up to the bottom of my headlights. I think I'm going back to my house. Well, right now I'm trying to get some clips for a YouTube video. And if you want to be in it, you can call me or something. And we can arrange something, maybe.
Alright.
Go mud riding or something.
That sounds fun.
But I'm going to stay on the phone with you just in case I get stuck. Oh, no.
Alright, well,
Oh.
I don't plan on doing anything, so. Your truck sounds like it's getting scratched.
No. Oh. Nah, just a minor couple damages. You know that, little run through that it goes down to, out into the lake?
Yeah.
So I'm climbing that, and there's some rocks that I don't remember here being last time.
It did flood a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, it did. Oh no, I'm gonna have to get all
You
this.
better watch out down there by the fish place. They don't take too kindly to trespassers.
I don't take too kindly to black people either.
You got a point.
Racist. I'm gonna try to climb out. Maybe right here.
Me and Mikey went down there to get his boat because the marina was flooded. And they told us to get off the property even though it was our boat.
Huh.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I'm trying to get out of here. Hopefully, I'm gonna have to take this thing to the shop for sure. Because, I can't quite get it out of here. Oh wait, I think I found like a little side path. Maybe. It looks like it's made for four-wheelers. Okay, I got it. Thinking about going and picking up Michael or somebody later, maybe down in the city, see if he wants to go do something.
Alright.
But, yep. Oh, passing a tractor. I think I'm going down to, I think I'm going to the crawfish boil tonight. I don't know. Might have to meet up with Caitlin in a little bit, maybe. See what she's doing.
Sounds fun.
You gonna meet up with Landry sometime or something?
No, I was thinking about hitting up the races later, probably. Got a new car, you should come check it out.
Oh yeah, what'd you do to... Did you still have Street Beast, or did you just change it up a little bit?
Put it this way, it's Street Beast on steroids.
Oh jeez. Oh god.
I changed the headers in it, put a new transmission in it, put a new engine in it, and
Oh, did you put one
changed.
of those,
I switched the turbo out for nitrous.
What? Man, I know what they're called. Remember when we went and watched Fast 7? Not Fast, I think it was Fast 6.
Talking about
Dom's Charger, remember that?
Yeah.
And when we watched it, the DDS header?
Yeah.
Is that the one you put in it?
It looks pretty similar to it. It's not as big.
Alright.
It's not as big of an intake, but yeah, it's pretty big.
I'm thinking about... Ooh.
What happened?
Oh. you know, going by that bridge and that part that's real deep?
Tomorrow where we flooded the tractor that one time?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I just went through it in my truck and it was a little deep.
You're going to tear it up.
Nah, man. I'm just gonna ruin the seats. But, oh, my foot hurts from hitting this gas pedal so much. Oh, hang on. I gotta pull over to the side of the road or set it on cruise. Here, I'll just set it on cruise. I'll pull off to the side. Oh, man. Oh, my foot. You know I've been driving for about 12 hours straight today. Just doing work, all kinds of stuff.
Man, you missed that I needed some help up in Paleto Bay on the farm. Everybody skipped out on me and went out of town for Easter.
Man. People in Easter.
I can't really blame them, but you know, I'm not doing much but staying at the house for Easter.
Same.
I mean, I'm going to church and all, but I'm not going anywhere, like family members or anything.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, man, my foot hurts. Oh, I hate having foot cramps, don't you? Once you drive for so long, your foot just starts cramping up.
I mean, yeah, never really had one, but sounds painful.
Oh, man. Now, I got stopped the other day by the police officers, the sheriffs out here, for driving through that pond, you know, by that gas station. They said I was killing fish.
Are you talking about out there, like the old dried up minnow ponds or whatever?
Yeah, that lead, not minnow ponds, but that lead into the lake, you know?
You talking about where Trevor used to live? Over there by where he lives, or if he still lives there or not?
Yeah, that trailer?
Yeah.
Yeah, over there.
Where you cross the hill and go over?
Yep.
Oh, I know what you're talking about, yeah.
Yeah, after you cross that berm.
Yeah, it gets pretty deep around there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can tell. Oh, no.
Dang, if I knew you were going to be out tonight, I went out and took my truck out.
I think I have got stuck.
Where you at?
Like, I'm over the berm. Like, probably... I'm literally right where Trevor's house is. Right over that berm.
Dang, if you give me about 30 minutes, I might be...
Oh, hang on.
Are you out?
Oh, I'm scraping the undercarriage a little bit. That's what skid plates are for, though, right?
Yeah. Or 6-inch lift.
Yep. My buddies are out here with the... Well, not my buddies. Those were my buddies, but no. They're out here with some dune buggies and golf carts out here over the berm.
I mean, you should go down there by, crap. You know where we go check the, pipelines over there off the interstate?
Yeah.
You turn off 79 and you go down that trail?
Mm-hmm.
You know how you can keep going a little ways on the interstate and then you take it off and then you take that side road off
Yeah.
and it goes down there and it's kind of like a turnaround, but it goes down there and it has that side road off to the side. You know all them people that's down there?
Yeah.
I went down there the other day and they had freaking side-by-sides, full-wheelers, trucks and everything. They were down there all night long.
Hello. Hello. This thing should be waterproof. Come on. Hit it a little bit, maybe. Peyton.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Garrett?
Yep.
You there?
I hear you. I hear you.
Cut out for a little bit. What happened?
Went over the berm, you know, and, you know those rocks that there's a jump that leads, you know?
Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about.
And you know how it's a little deep around there?
Yeah.
Well, I just sunk the Dodge.
Sunk it.
Like you can't see it.
Is it gettable?
Nope. It is under the lake. I need to run back.
Oh, gosh.
Trevor should have his fooler there. I'm going to see if he's got his fooler there. If he doesn't, he said I could borrow it anytime. So I'm hoping his four-wheeler's there. I'm jogging back up there. Oh man. This is a long jog. Well, not really. Maybe I can sprint a little bit. Well, I'm running. Nope, going back down to the jogging. Oh, sprint. Come on, baby. We're running.
Hey, man, I'm gonna go get my truck and I'll meet you back up down here, alright?
Alright,
Alright, talk to you later, man.
bye. I don't know what that clicking noise is. It's kind of freaking me out, though. I was about to say, did I run the wrong way? I was like, oh no. Think I'm running the right way, though. Should be fine. Did you know Trevor? I think. I hate talking to myself. I'm gonna call Peyton back.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, did you know that Trevor put like some crazy mods on his four-wheeler?
Have you drove it yet?
Nope.
Dude, that thing is fast.
All I see is a header, some pipes coming out the side, and a spoiler on the back.
You better put a helmet on, dude. That thing is...
Oh, I've got one on.
Oh, it's crazy fast.
Oh, jeez. Oh, man. You aren't kidding. I need to...
You remember that old motorcycle he had?
Yeah.
He put that engine on that one. On that four-wheeler or whatever.
Oh, no.
Yeah. That's why he has 8 headers on it.
Wow.
Well, it's an 8 intake header.
I'm backing up over here by 24/7. I like people knowing where my stuff is, but I think I'm going to pull it back up. Just pull it back around over here. Should be fine. Don't you think? You know, right behind. This place looks a little shady.
You went over there by the barbershop?
Yeah, 24/7.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I parked it behind there and looked a little sketchy.
Yeah.
Not a place you want to put that kind of equipment there.
Yeah.
Hey man, can I get a lottery ticket and hang on, go get me a slushie. Okay, can I still get number 5 and just the slushie? I'll be good. Yeah, sure. Man, I'm tired. I've been working long shifts. Thank you. Oh, hey, Peyton.
What's up?
I just had to stop in there. I think I'm going to run down to the shop, see what they're doing down there.
All right.
Yep. I'm heading down there. I'm passing the hospital. Normally they have a lot more people there. Looks like crime rate's cut down a little bit.
Yeah, it kind of has. They up the they got some sheriffs and more cops from Los Santos.
Yeah, it looked like it. I saw one cop. He pulled me over earlier when I was in the Ford.
Yeah.
He said it was a little lifted, and he's like, "Do I know you from somewhere?" And I was like, "I think so." It's like, "Wait, then you used to live in weren't you used? Did they pull you from Los Santos? He goes, yeah. It's like, I think you've pulled me over before in this truck. He's like, I thought this truck looked a little familiar. It's like, well, it is. He let me off with a warning, so I was glad for that.
That's one of the main reasons I moved out here. So I did away from that, you know.
Yeah, because it's not the greatest down there.
Yeah. Well, that, and I mean, you know, you can't just drive that truck around in town or whatever.
Just kind of looking around, see if there's anything that looks stolen from the shop, because I know nobody's stolen anything from inside.
I went there 2 weeks ago, and it had something, had like tape or like caution tape around it. I don't know if something blew up or whatever, or something caught fire or anything.
You know, hang on. I think I know what it was. I'm going to drive around back. See if anything looks a little different. Pretty sure. I don't know what that was in. It could have been one of those oil cans or something. It's probably one of those. You know those things that come on every once in a while.
Yeah.
I'm going to go in here, see, and get my money and maybe head down to Los Santos and see if they've got a truck that I want to buy.
All right.
Should I buy a truck or a new sports car?
I mean, I don't know. Me, I take a truck, but that's just like what I do.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't really kind of help to have a car out here.
Yeah, not really. Let's just think of pop some wheelies.
I mean, it'd be nice for the gas mileage, but, you know, I can't haul and carry stuff like I can with my truck.
Yeah. I think I'm just going to go get maybe another Dodge or a Ford or something.
Yeah.
You never know, you might have to get one of those big old Ford F-250 Sand XLs down there.
And that's what I got. I had to get it because all the stuff I was pulling in my... I mean, my little truck could pull it, it just really didn't like it, you know?
Yeah.
And sooner or later, it was just going to break down on me, so I went ahead and got a new one. It only cost $45,000.
Huh.
But that's like stock, and then you take it to the shop and everything, and then it totals out after about like $150,000.
I'm pretty sure you got this thing street legal.
I rode it once. I rode it down that straightaway by his house, and
I know this.
whew.
Oh, shoot. You know what I just did?
What?
I just took a wrong turn.
It's been a long night, right?
Oh, yeah. I am tired of having illusions. Take a left. Alright, here we go. Now I'm on the right road. See how fast this thing can get up to. I bet it can go faster than my truck. It's already hitting 70. Dang. It's rolling. This car just about clipped me.
Because you're driving wrong.
No, I'm driving on the right side of the road.
And there's some crazy people out there.
Yeah. Trevor really needs to put some, like... These are his, like, street slicks. He said he was getting a pair of Assassinators put on there. But...
Doesn't he have like those knobby tires on it or whatever?
Yeah.
Like those sand-looking tires?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's had those on for
Do I need
forever.
to check the pipelines? When was the last time we checked those?
I went out there last week and it was still holding water.
Alright, I'm going to check it.
I don't know, since we got all that rain, might need a little... Might have to loosen the valves up and let it drain out.
Yeah, I'm going to go look back there and see what it looks like. I'm going to go back there and see what it looks like. See how this is going to work.
Hey, see who's there.
Alright, I will. See
If it's John, he has that, what is it? I don't remember what it's called, but it's like that buddy-looking car or whatever.
Dune buggy?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know what it's called, but that's what it looks like.
He'll probably be inside working or something. I'm not going to go in and disturb him.
But just tell him if his car's there or not.
Alright.
It should be either him or,
Isn't it orange or something like that?
yeah. It's either him or Luke.
Alright.
I didn't know, like, I don't know who's all in today because, you know, tomorrow's Easter or whatever, so.
Oh, I need to check. I need to just start driving down there, but I'm not going to. See some. Huh. That's ridiculous. That's different.
What is?
There's cars parked down here.
Yeah, on the side of the road when you're first coming in?
Yep.
Yeah, they normally are.
See if it's there. Yep. He's here.
Alright.
He's
I'll call him later.
Alright. Oh, no. Oh.
Is it not holding water?
Oh, it is.
Is it bad?
Oh, yeah.
How bad?
Like it's flooded. mean, like-
Go over by the pipes and tell me how deep it is.
You know. Oh, shoot. I don't want to start already going down there. I'm going, not by the pipe road, but that other road. See if it's flooded down here. Going down here to check. So far, it just looks like it normally does. It's a little bit muddy down
I'm telling you, since it flooded or whatever, that main pipe up there at the dam, it's probably,
Like, it's so flooded, there's a boat sitting out here floating.
dang.
Ooh.
What?
Oh no.
Can you not cross?
Oh. I think I can cross on the edge, but I can't cross how we normally go through.
Ah, shoot.
I think I'm gonna try it.
Hey, go over towards the right a little bit. Just don't go through the middle part.
I'm gonna wait till this kind of sits down. There's some waves going in. Oh.
How
Man.
deep is it?
Oh, it's over the whole four-wheeler.
Ah, shoot, that's not good.
I'm sitting here driving along the edge and it's over the tires. And I'm just driving on the edge. I'm not even driving like deep.
You know, if you get off in that and, you know, you get stuck, you're on your own, right?
Yeah, I know. Make sure that this isn't... Because normally this isn't that deep. Okay, that's still normal. All this stuff looks pretty normal. Oh, no, this part's always the part with the deepest part. I don't know how this is going to hit it. Oh, no. That got bad. Pop the water wheel. That helps.
I just talked to John. He said they released the valves
Did
so
it-
the water could drain through and wash everything out. So the flooding's fine. It's on purpose.
Ooh, that got deep. Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Did you flood it? Get stuck?
Flooded it.
What'd I tell you?
You've got to be kidding me.
Man, sit tight. I'll come and get you.
I've got it. Well, John will probably let me use his truck.
What? I don't know.
Oh, no. Oh, man, this is just horrible. I'm running up the pipes.
Hey, man, watch out. Them spiders are all in that.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, go see if the red valve's turned to 3.
Yep.
All right. Hey, I called John. He said he's not there. He just left his car there. Luke came in early and they left to go get lunch.
All right. Did he say I could use it?
Hang on. I'll call you back.
All right.
Hey, you there?
Yeah.
Hey, you say he didn't care if you use it or not.
All right. Say it was unlocked.
Yeah, should be.
Tell him I will repair the damages, but I accidentally broke his window.
How do you accidentally break the window?
Because it was not unlocked.
We'll just let him think it was unlocked. It'll be fine.
Oh, man.
He said the four-wheel drive did go out the other day, so...
Did he mean, like, off and on?
No, like out. Like he only has two-wheel drive.
Oh. Here we go. Climbing up to where I'm hoping I don't flood his Jeep. Oh man, if I flood this thing, I'm gonna buy my brand new Sand XL is what I'm gonna do. So I need another truck. Oh no, here we go. Well, it's not near as deep in this as it is on that.
Can you go see how much water is over? Okay, so you know where the pipes are, right?
Yeah.
You know if you keep going, you can go up that hill or dried up creek or whatever.
Yep.
Go tell me if there's water in that. John said if there is, that's like level 5, which is not good.
Alright, I'm heading over there.
Is there water in it?
Yeah.
How deep?
Oh, it is deep. But then once you get out to a certain part, it gets eased up a little bit.
Alright.
Is this big old hole always been here?
I don't know. I haven't been down there in a while.
I think I haven't made it anyway, so it's fine. I'm gonna drive his truck down to Simeon's. See what they're doing down there. See if I can get me a new truck.
Alright.
But yeah. So hopefully I get this truck within a day.
Yeah.
I should. I don't know what color it's gonna be yet. I don't know yet. Hopefully they've got like some kind of silver with a matte black or something. Like the crawler.
Yeah. That's where I got mine, but he couldn't lower it for me, so I had to go get it lowered.
Alright, I'm driving along the edge of the highway down here.
You better watch out for cops. They're not too friendly.
Yeah, no, not down here anyways.
Hey, man, I gotta go. The boss is calling me, alright?
Alright,
Talk to you later.
alright, bye. Don't know why I'm going up here. Really don't. Got mud all over the side of his truck. Oh no. Well, he takes the mud around a lot anyways, so we should be fine. I should be fine. He shouldn't care. But yeah, guys, that was Peyton. He's just one of my cousins that helped me out a lot. I guess that he's normally the one that come get me. But yeah, right now I'm heading down to Simeon's. Pretty sure it's right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy him a brand new Jeep because this thing is not the best turning at all. And please do not do this at home. Please do not just run through red lights and hit other cars. This guy, okay. Alright, I'm gonna head down to Simeon's. Pretty sure it's this way. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look so poor running like this. Yep. Oh, okay, I know where I'm at now. But yeah, guys, we will see you in the next one.